In this video, let me show you how to get Otta and Archero 2. First, make sure you have the Archero 2 app. If you don't have, just download it on the Play Store or App Store. Next, let's open Archero 2 and make sure you are logged in. After that, go to Equipments located at the bottom of your screen. Now click on the Characters tab beside of Gear and Runes. And here, find Otta among the characters, and you can see here there's no button to buy Otta. That's because you can only obtain by playing in Treasure Island Hunt. So click the campaign located at the bottom middle of the screen. Now click on Treasure Island on the upper left. Next, just play the game to earn some treasure coins. If you have enough coins, click on Exchange Shop. Next, buy the Auto Shards with 2 treasure coins. If you gather 50 Auto Shards, Auto will automatically unlock. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.